is a mini lesson on proportions. A proportion is made up of two ratios that are set equal to one another. So you're going to have two fractions set equal to one another with a missing number. Okay, so tomorrow is when you will need these parts here. First, you will create a helper fraction. You'll understand what that means tomorrow, but I'm just going to give you the notes today. Helper fraction is going to be two little letters. This over this. It's just going to help you set everything up. Second step, set up the proportion by placing all of your numbers according to your helper fraction. That's why it's called a helper. It's going to guide you in your setup process. Step 3, you're going to cross multiply. I'm going to put a little symbol here. It's going to look like the energy symbol. That's cross multiplying. Fourth, you will divide both sides of your proportion by the number attached to the variable. And a variable is a letter. We are actually going to be starting some algebra here. Alright, so this is exactly what your homework looks tonight. They're not word problems. They are just basic proportions, but you have to show this work that I'm putting on the paper now. First thing you're going to do is locate two numbers on the diagonal that you know both numbers, and then you're going to circle that. So if I look across the C and the 5, I don't know those both numbers, but I do know the 4 and the 3. So I'm going to write 4 times 3. And then I'm going to set it equal to 5C. Notice how I'm not putting a multiplication sign between the 5 and the C? I don't need to. So now you're going to solve this. You know what 4 times 3 is. That's what? 12. And you're going to set it equal to 5C. And then you're going to show that you're dividing by the number that's attached to the variable. These will cancel, and you're left with C. And now we're going to divide 12 divided by 5 to get my final answer. Cross multiplying is a two-step process. It's multiplying and dividing. So 5 goes into 12 how many times? Twice. And remember, at 6th grade, we don't have remainders. We need a decimal and a 0. How many 5s in 20? How many 5s in 20? 4. So C is equal to 2.4. Okay, so what two numbers will I circle in the second example? 3 and 25. So I'm going to write that 25 times 3, or you can write 3 times 25, equals what? 5V. What's 25 times 3? 75 equals 5V. I'm going to divide by 5. Those I get rid of. And 75 divided by 5. How many 5s in 7? 1. Subtract. How many 5s in 25? 5. Your answer is 15. This is the minimum work required on your homework.